And we are here at Home Depot, folks. This is the Home Depot in Coconut Creek, Florida. And I wanted to show you the Labor Day savings have finally rolled out. The official Labor Day sale here runs from August 25th until September 7th. So starting right off the bat here, you can see we have this exclusive 5.5 foot fiberglass stepladder, type 1A, from Gorilla. Now this one, what's kind of cool about this has the tool bucket there, and it locks right in up top here. Okay, so I will put a link to this and the other Labor Day specials from Home Depot here down in the video description below for you. So the Labor Day flyer this year is just really kind of skimpy. There's not really a whole lot. But here's one of the items here. This is the Ryobi 18 volt cordless 10-inch string trimmer and the blower. Now these are going to be their weakest models because look at this. See, that's only 200 CFM. So you've only got 200 CFM on the blower, and the string trimmer is a 10-inch, so it is kind of small. This is just basically an entry-level model here. And even then, you can see they only took $10 off on this one for Labor Day here at Home Depot. And then I think Home Depot missed their golden opportunity here. They got this grill, this next grill here, down to $199 from $249. But dang, it's like way in the background of the picture. I mean, you wouldn't even notice this thing if you didn't see the sign right here. So here's your Labor Day savings for it. And I'll put a link to this down in the video also for you below. And then also here on the flyer, they have the Glacier Bay Penford. It is a 24-inch vanity. This is a combo, so this one actually comes with the mirror right there. And they give you all of the dimensions right there on the box. And there's your vanity top as well. So it comes with everything you need, and it's down to $169. Now, they're not saying here in the Home Depot Labor Day flyer whether or not for the Labor Day sale, if this is really on sale or not. It just says special buy. This could have just been going on all along. So normally I always look to see what was the price, like here on the Gorilla ladder, see. And then they also have this Glacier Bay McClure Dual Flush. And this is elongated, and you always check, I always tell people, make sure when you buy your toilet that you check that box, because these get mismarked and misplaced all the time in the store. So make sure you're going home with the right toilet. But anyway, this is down $30 to $169 from $199. Then the other Ryobi combo that you can see right here in the ad is this 2-tool combo, which is right here. And you wouldn't even know that this is the one because they've got this sign that's way up here, and it's not really indicating, okay, which one. So you have to know by looking up that SKU number on there and coming down and looking at these two. And even then, I'm not so sure that this is even a Labor Day only sale, because this is really a new lower price. So these have been like this for some time. This is not really a Labor Day price. So, you know, a lot of the stores, when there's Labor Day rolling around and they put all of their deals here on the flyers, not everything in there is necessarily marked down for Labor Day. They've already been marked down. The other Labor Day deal they have here is this 6-tier wire shelf for $119. But the only thing is it's only $10 off. And then also in the Home Depot Labor Day sale flyer, we have here the Hunter Antero ceiling fan. Now this one is a 46-inch fan. It takes LED bulbs, which I'm like, okay, boring. You gotta put 2 bulbs. I prefer the more modern ones that have just the chips of LEDs on there. I mean, this is so 2017, folks. Okay. But you can see it's $109, marked down from $139. So they're really only taking about $30 off of this fan. And when you look at the additional features here, well, it's got the pull chain. You know, I don't like the lights really with pull chains. I will only buy a ceiling fan that has a remote and no chains. It's just a lot sleeker. And anybody who's ever had to deal with a ceiling fan with chains before knows what an unbelievable nightmare those things are. Now, of course, they're always doing stuff here with the appliances, and that started today as well. So many of these, the Samsungs and the LGs, of course, you know my opinion of the Samsungs, and a lot of people have reported problems with Samsungs. I don't know if they've gotten any better or not. I can tell you they've gotten nicer looking. And as you can see here, they have, like, for example, you got this washer here, $381 off. And you got another one here, another top loader. This one is $331 off. So you're just coming to take a look at the signs and see what they've got there. Well, I was really hoping they would give us a lot more in terms of deals here today, but man, it was kind of barren, wasn't it? When you look at the flyer there, holy cow. And the few deals that were there, they just seem to be, $10 off, $20 off, nothing really big there. So anyway, just wanted to show you what the update was for Labor Day. Who knows, maybe they'll surprise us some more during Labor Day weekend. So anyway, thank you for joining us tonight, folks. And we will see all of you on the next one.